Hello, wonderful warriors. Welcome back to Chandrashekher Research Academy of Business Studies. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of your MBA journey, project work. Whether you're just starting your fourth semester or preparing for your final report, this guide will ensure your project becomes a stepping stone to success. The project work you take up as a course isn't just an assignment. It's an opportunity to contribute new or improved knowledge to your area of expertise. The project must be rooted in management studies, whether it's a case study analyzing a specific issue or a comparative study of industry trends. The key is to select a topic in your area of specialization and conduct research personally, guided by your supervisor. Step 1 is selecting an organization for your study. This could be your workplace or another organization that permits your research. Ensure you have access to the required data and can engage with the organization's executives. Remember, you'll need an official letter of acceptance from the organization on its letterhead when you submit your project proposal. Once your topic is finalized, it's time to prepare your project proposal or synopsis. Keep it concise, around 4 to 5 pages, and cover all necessary aspects. Submit this to your supervisor, along with their curriculum vitae and workshop certificate, through the Google form provided by the Department of Commerce and Business Management. Be mindful of deadlines, as proposals won't be accepted after the last date. The university will review your proposal and notify you within a month. If revisions are needed, don't worry. Work with your supervisor to refine and resubmit it promptly. Remember, do not start your project work until you receive the official approval copy. Once your research is complete, you'll compile your findings into a project report. This should be 25 to 30 pages long, including appendices and exhibits, formatted in A4 size with 12-point font and 1.5 line spacing. Make sure your report includes the original proposal approval copy, a certificate from your supervisor, your self-declaration, an official certificate from the organization, and the approved project synopsis. Submit your report online as instructed by the department. Your project journey culminates in the viva-voce examination. Be prepared to present your findings through a PowerPoint presentation, focusing on introduction to the topic, conceptual framework, objectives and methodology, company profile, data analysis findings, suggestions, and conclusion. Remember, the Viva carries 50 marks, so make your presentation impactful and confident. Here are a few final tips. Choose a topic you're passionate about within your specialization. Stay organized and meet all submission deadlines. Pay attention to details in both your proposal and final report. Deadlines to remember: project proposal, first week of your fourth semester or as announced. Final report, 1 month after proposal approval. Your project work is a golden opportunity to showcase your expertise and make a meaningful contribution to the world of management studies. Take it seriously, put in your best effort, and let it become a shining star in your MBA journey.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chandrashekher Research Academy of Business Studies for more insightful content. Let's conquer the MBA world together. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.